Hello everyone. I'll be cooking some plantain sticks wrapped with bacon. Here I have a package of bacon, a small package. I am trying to pull them apart. I also have two plantains. So I'm going to use one strip of bacon to one plantain. I'll cut them in two and cut each half in two again. And I will do the same thing to the plantain. Here I go. I will cut the bacon in two. You don't have to do your plantain sticks this small, but I choose to do them this small. You can do them in the sizes you like. Now that I have finished with the bacons, I move to the plantains and I'll cut them in four pieces also. So I will cut one plantain in half and then cut one half into four. Now that I have finished cutting up the plantains and the bacon, I am going to take one of the plantain stick and wrap the bacon around it. You can wrap it like you're wrapping your hair on a spiral curler if it is long enough, and then use a toothpick to hold it. After I finish wrapping the bacons on the plantain stick, I will put a pot on the stove, pour some oil in. Please pour enough oil that it almost cover your plantains and the bacon. My oil is not enough here. I should have gone putting in some more. That way your plantains will be covered by the oil, so you don't really have to turn them since they have the toothpick in them. They will just fry as is. Then you can remove them when your plantains are fried. This is what the finished products look like. It is very tasty, very delicious if you're a bacon lover. Everyone knows that plantain is very sweet. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.